Plex versus Emby versus Jellyfin 2026. Which media server actually wins? 3 media servers, 3 very different philosophies, and one question. Which one should you actually build your home streaming setup on in 2026? I've run all 3. Here's the real answer. Plex, Emby, and Jellyfin all look similar from the outside. They organize your media and let you stream it anywhere, but the differences in pricing, privacy, and feature sets are significant. And they matter a lot over time. Quick breakdown. Plex is the polished commercial option. Emby sits in the middle, partially open source with a $119 lifetime premium tier. Jellyfin is fully free, fully open source, and doesn't phone home. Jellyfin now holds 51% market share among self-hosters. Emby is the stable middle ground for users who want polish without Plex prices. Plex wins on device support and family ease of use. The right choice depends on your priorities: cost, polish, or privacy.